Ningbo Holden Cable Company Limited is a modern enterprise for primary operating and selling communication cables and electric cables. We have two factories. One is Shaoxing, Xinhang Cable Company Limited located in Shaoxing, Zhejiang. Our factories cover nearly 7,000 square meters. Annual sales exceed $10 million and are growing year by year. We can receive professional engineering orders, has cooperated with the National Grid, Qatar World Cup and other large-scale projects. We have the TUV, CE, CCC, UL, CPR etc. certificates, and can provide the products according to ASTM, ICEA, BS, DIN, IEC, GB etc. standard to meet the customer's various requirements. We produce electrical cables and communication cables. We specialize in supplying PVC cable, solar cable, coaxial cable, security cable, telephone cable, speaker cable, alarm cable, network cable, flexible rubber cable, YHF welding cable, submersible cable, armored cable, ABC cable, copper, aluminium high middle low voltage PVC, XLPE cable.